drop of water taken from a pond or any natural source, it's common to find a wide variety of microorganisms. One of the most common is the Paramecium, a ciliated protozoan. The Paramecium has an oval shape and is covered with cilia, small hair-like structures that it uses to move and capture food. This microorganism feeds on bacteria and other small organisms, and its transparent body allows us to observe its contractile vacuoles, which regulate the water content inside. Another microorganism you might observe is the amoeba, a unicellular organism known for its ability to change shape. The amoeba moves and feeds through pseudopods, which are temporary extensions of its cytoplasm. It's fascinating to watch how it engulfs and digests its food. In the video, you can see a rotifer, another frequent inhabitant of these environments. These small multicellular animals have a crown of cilia on their head that spins in motion, resembling a wheel, and helps them move and capture food particles. Finally, you might see microscopic algae such as euglena or chlamydomonas, which are often green due to chlorophyll. These microorganisms are capable of photosynthesis, converting sunlight into energy. Each of these microorganisms has its own way of interacting with the environment, offering a fascinating glimpse into the diversity and complexity of microscopic life in water.